Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a video on a mauve natural makeup look. So basically it's like a light purple, very natural makeup look. It's like an everyday. So I'm just starting with my foundation. It's really what I normally use. It's very light, not wearing a lot. I just do a couple dots of the Fit Me Porcelain foundation in 102, and then I'm doing their concealer in their lightest shade as well. I really love Fit Me foundation and concealers. It's really like pore clogging. It's like pretty good. You know, of course, if you wear too much, like any makeup is gonna clog your pores, but I have sensitive skin and I'm prone to breakouts, so I have to be careful. But I really love Fit Me by Maybelline. And then I just use their powder as well. And now I'm going in with the Lumi Bronze It. I also love this bronzer too because it's never irritated my skin so far, so I really like it. And I just do a little bit just to give me some kind of glow, not really a tan, but just something because I'm so pale. Then I'm using this Pixi Glow Kit. It's from Target. It's just a highlighting kit from Target, and then I'm just using the golden shade. And I'm just highlighting like all the high points and then my inner corner and my brow bone, everywhere that needs to be highlighted. And then I'm going in with the Trunaked Roses palette. This is by CoverGirl, and I love this palette. It has like lavender shades and very natural shades. So I'm just going in first with like the inner corner, and I'm doing like a very light shade. It's like the lightest shade, and then I'm going in with the third lightest shade, and I'm just starting to outline my eye with the lightest purple shade, the lightest lavender, and I'm starting the outline of my eyeshadow. So I'm just continuing to create the shape of my eyeshadow. It's not supposed to be a dramatic look. It's supposed to be something for every day that can be really natural. So I'm just going in and outlining that. Just continuing to mold the eyeliner, and then I put a little bit underneath my lash line too, just to give it some more shape and color. Then I'm going in and blending it. The key is to blend it, whether you blend it with a brush or with your fingers. I love and I really like to use my fingers when I'm doing makeup. So you'll see me use my fingers because it really helps to blend. I think your fingers are the best tool. Your hands are the best tool for makeup. Brushes sometimes can create a very harsh look. For me, I find I like to use my hands. So whether that's right or wrong, it's just what I like to do. So, and then I'm using this like more brown shade. It's like a brown lavender, but it's still pretty light. Like I said, the goal is to keep it pretty natural. And then there's some parts I need to blend on the outer corner there, so I'm using my finger, just make sure everything is blended. And then now I'm using a brown CoverGirl eyeliner, the Perfect Point. And I'm using a brown eyeliner to give it more of a natural look, so it's not going to be so harsh. This is for people who don't like to wear heavy makeup. And I'm actually using the liquid on my lower lash line. I like to do this. I feel like it gives me a nice look because it matches the top. And then I'm just doing a very, very small wing. Like I'm doing a very natural wing, like a barely there, very natural wing. And I'm just continuing to create it. So continuing to make the wing, I'm also doing a top eyeliner with it. So I'm just lining the bottom and the top. If you want to keep it really natural, you can just line the top. I like to line the bottom of my lash line, otherwise I kind of feel like the makeup's not finished. So then I'm just going in and finishing up the wing, and then I'm applying a black mascara. You can use a brown mascara if you want to keep it natural, but I'm using a black one by Great Lash Maybelline. That's the one I always use. Then I'm going in with this Melania Rose Color Blush. And I also like Melania products as well. I've only really ever tried their blushes and some of their lip stuff. I'm not a huge fan of like their lipsticks, but I really like their blushes. They're really pretty and they're really natural. And so I'm just doing it like on the top of the cheekbone. And then I'm using this NYX eyeliner. And this is one I also use quite a lot. And I'm just lining my lips with this. It's a NYX lip liner from Target. And it's like a rosy shade. I'll list the shade in the description because right now I can't think of it, but it's one I use pretty often. So I'm overlining my lips just a little bit to give kind of a dramatic effect. Sometimes I do that, not too much, just a little bit overline just to make them look more full. I like to do that, but not too much. You don't want to do it too much. So I'm just continuing to line them. And then I also fill it in too. I use the lip liner actually as a lipstick because I like how matte it is. I don't really like glosses. And that's the finished look. So it's just a really natural mauve makeup look. So if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and feel free to comment any other looks you want to see in any other videos. Thank you.